Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Ashish Prajapat and I'm thrilled to continue our journey into the world of Amazon Web Services. In our previous video, we laid the foundation by understanding what AWS is and the incredible benefits of cloud computing. Today we are taking a crucial next step. That is learning how to get hands-on with AWS using the free tier and navigating its command center, the AWS Management Console. This video is all about getting you set up and comfortable so you can start exploring the cloud yourself. First off, welcome back. If you are new here, make sure to check out our first video where we introduce the basics of AWS Cloud Computing. We discussed how AWS offers incredible agility, scalability, and cost efficiency. Now, for the exciting part, AWS understands that you need to learn and experiment. That's why they offer the free AWS tier. That is AWS free tier. Think of it as a personal cloud. Think of it as your personal cloud sandbox, a safe space where you can get hands-on experience without worrying about costs initially. The free tier comes in a various few flavors. There are always free services, 12 months free for popular services like EC2 and S3 for new accounts, and also short-term free trials. This allows you to truly explore and build. The biggest benefit, it's risk-free and learning. You can deploy applications, set up databases, and test ideas without any upfront costs. To begin your journey, you will need an AWS account. It's a straightforward process. Head over to aws.amazon.com and click on Create an AWS account. Step 1. So you have to fill your account basics. You will provide your email address, which becomes your root user ID and set a password. Remember, the root user has ultimate control over your account. So keep these credentials extremely secure. We'll talk about better security practices with IAM users in a future video, but for now, safeguard your root. Step 2. Payment information. Yes, AWS requires a credit or debit card even for free tier usage. This is primarily for identification verification and to ensure there is a payment method if you accidentally exceed the free tier limits. But to be absolutely clear, you will not be charged for services that fall within the free tier limits. It's simply a verification step. And then step 3, phone verification and support plan. You will verify your identity via a phone call or SMS, then choose your support plan. For learning and experimentation, the basic support that is free plan is perfectly fine and provide access to documentation and basic health checks. Once these steps are complete, you are ready to log in. Once you have successfully created your AWS account and logged in, you will be greeted by this screen, the AWS Management Console. This is your central hub, your command center for everything you do in AWS. It's a powerful web-based user interface that allows you to manage all your cloud resources, configuration services, monitoring performance, and view your billing. Think of it like the dashboard of a very sophisticated car. From here, you can control every aspect of your cloud environment. It's where you will spend most of your time interacting with AWS. Now, this slide is perhaps one of the most important for beginners and for anyone using the free tier. Avoid unexpected charges. While the free tier is fantastic, it has limits. Before you launch any service, make it a habit to check the current AWS free tier page on aws.amazon.com/free. Limits can change slightly, so always verify what's included and for how long. The absolute best way to stay in control is by regularly monitoring your usage. You can do this by navigating to your billing dashboard from your account menu in the console. This dashboard provides a detailed breakdown of your consumptions across all services. My strong recommendation is to set up a billing alerts. You can configure a simple alert even for a $0 threshold to receive notification if your cost starts to accrue. This gives you peace of mind and allows you to react quickly if something goes beyond the feature. Being proactive about the cost management is key to a smooth and enjoyable AWS learning experience. All right, enough talk about the console. Let's let's see it in action. I'm going to switch over to my screen now for a live demonstration of the AWS Management Console. I will show you how to log in, give you a quick overview of the main sections, how to easily identify services using search bar and the service menu, and most importantly, how to change between different AWS regions, which is a critical concept. Finally, I will walk you through where to find quickly and check your billing dashboard so you always know your usage status. Let's dive in. Okay, so I have opened aws.amazon.com/console page. Once you open this page, click on sign in to go to to log into the management console. Then it will ask you your credentials. So if you have this created for the first time, clicks with your email ID, click on sign in using root user email, and then it will ask you for your email ID and password. So what you need to do is you just have to enter your email ID and then password. I will enter my email ID, click on next, then I will enter my password. I have set up a multi-factor authentication that's why it is asking for a MFA code. I will quickly enter my MFA code here. This is for added security. So once you are successfully logged in, you will see a similar dashboard like console, where you will see a couple of services you have recently visited, and then applications if there are any running, AWS health, cost, usage, and everything. So to search for any AWS services, you have to just click on the search bar and then enter anything like, let's say, EC2. You will see virtuals. If you want to go to the searches servers in the cloud, you can view here all the instances running, all the EMIs and security groups, everything, anything you want to search for, you can select here. If you want to go to other service, click just search it on the search box like S3. It is a scalable storage in the cloud. This is how the S3 console looks like. There are buckets and all those things we will discuss in further videos, just giving you a glimpse of AWS Management Console, how this looks like. There are a couple of multiple regions here. You will see this Mumbai selected. This is in Asia Pacific region. There are a couple of regions in Asia Pacific region. So there's Osaka, Seoul, Singapore, Sydney, Tokyo. There is Canada region, Europe regions, South America, and then United States. So this is kind of a data center locations in different regions. Let's quickly look into the billing dashboard. This is how you will go to your click on your name and then click on billing and cost management. Here you will see all your billings and everything related to cost, payments, anything, alerts, all those things were visible here. Usage status as well, cost optimizations and everything. If you want to check for a bills, you can click on bills and then it will show you the summary of the period. Current, it is the current showing for current month right now. You can change the month. If you want to check for previous month, you can select here and you see this zero. I rarely use this AWS account, that's why you see zero. Also you can see credits as well. There are credits that you can get when you attend various AWS events or the complete surveys. You can use these credits when you browse anything on AWS. So if you are being charged, then these credits are being used and you don't have to pay from your credit card. So that's where the credits are helpful. Cost categories, budgets you can set based on that. If you want to set budget like you don't want have you want don't want to have a huge bills, then you can set budgets and then alerts as well. Okay, so let's quickly recap what we covered today. So you now understand what the free tier is. It is your incredible resource for learning and experimenting without initial cost. We also demystified the AWS Management Console, which is your powerful interface for managing everything in the cloud. Remember to always check the free tier limits and proactively monitor your usage in the billing dashboard. It's crucial for a smooth experience. Your action items for after this video are simple. If you haven't already, go ahead and create your AWS free account and then spend some time just navigating the console, getting comfortable with where everything is, the services that I show, billing dashboard and all those things. So what's next? Now that you have your account is set up and you know your way around the console, in our next video we are going to launch our first virtual server in the cloud using Amazon EC2. Elastic Compute Cloud, a service that's fully free tier eligible. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with anyone who is starting their cloud journey, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next practical session. Thank you.